Hello everyone. Welcome back to the session of important question discussion, especially for VTU examination. Today I'm going to discuss most important question from module 1 for the subject Introduction to Python Programming. As you can observe, the first module comprises of 3 segments: Python basics, then flow control, and ultimately function. So I figured out most important and most probable questions which can be expected for the forthcoming examination. I request you everybody, before going to the examination, kindly go through these important questions and revise once. Later you can go for examination. Surely I'm confirming you that you may expect some question for the forthcoming examination. Let's get started. As you can observe, the first question, it is one of the important questions, like what is a function? You have to define what is function, then illustrate how to define and user defined function. Okay, so first you explain what is the meaning of function. So to execute a particular task or a particular job, we will be using the particular function. Okay, and also if you use the function, you can save the number of lines as much as possible. A particular task, for example, print, you can put like a hello world. Okay, you need to display the hello world. So I'm using a function called print. That is a inbuilt function, built-in function or inbuilt function. Sometimes we have to define our own function, that is called a user-defined function. Whenever you are defining a user-defined function, you need to write one keyword called def. For example, def add 1, 2. That means I'm creating a function called add with the help of a keyword called def. Okay, so you have to explain in that fashion. Explain the local and global scope of variable in Python with the help of example. So what is the meaning of local variable and a global variable? Okay, so you need to mention with a suitable example. So consider a program. Okay, suppose you are defining a variable outside the function, then you can call at any time. That is actually called a global variable. Suppose you have defined a variable within the function. Once you come out of the function and you are calling the variable, you are getting error message. Why? Because that particular variable is valid only within the function. That such kind of like variable that is known as local variable. That is the difference between global variable and local variable. Very, very important question. I have seen this question for several questions. Please keep in your mind that this can be expected in future examination. Discuss the significance of exception handling in Python with a suitable example. So what is exception handling? You can explain for example, 1 by 0, that is not defined. If I use like 1 by 0 in Python programming, it should not be stuck with because of this issue. So it has to move out and mention like a not identified or not defined. Something you should get a message and you should have forwarded. Otherwise, you are going to stuck within that particular line. That should not be happened in Python programming. If it is happened, that will affect the flexibility of this language. So we are using exception handling statements. So what are the exception handling? For example, except, try. Okay, these are the different type of keyword which you are going to use for exception handling. You need to elaborate it. Another fourth one is actually 13 modulo 9. You have to compute and so you have to calculate the remainder. Then 6 by 6 double forward slash, that is integer division. You're talking about the integer division. Then if you see double star, that means remember this operator, it is 2 to the power, like double star in the sense 2 raised to or exponential. Do remember that. Not false. If you type not false, you should get the answer as true. Then you have to here in the question number 4C, you have to apply board mass concept, board mass. Then question number 4D, not false, I already discussed, that is true. 5 star, 1 star star 3. Okay, star star in the sense it's an exponential operation. Draw the flowchart of elif statement with suitable examples. Then develop a Python programming to check the given number is even or odd. You need to use modulo operator so that you can easily make out. It's a two-way statement. We require either even or odd number. Question number 6, what are the different flow control statements support in Python? For example, flow control statement, break and continue statement. You can easily explain with the help of suitable example. Explain the various data types used in Python. For example, float, then int, then list, tuple, dictionary, okay, string, all are called data types which are supported in Python. You can explain with the help of suitable example as well. Question number 8, demonstrate with the help of with suitable example, print, input, and string replication. Okay, very simple. Then you can explain elif, for while break continue with a suitable example. That is also most simple question. Develop a Python program to compute the binomial coefficient. Okay, you can use the user defined function. Okay, and formula also you should know what is like how to calculate NCR. What is NCR? That formula, if you know, then you need to know how to accept the input from the user. You need to use the then you need to use the input function you are supposed to use. Then you have to use the for loop. Okay, then write the formula function you can create. Then definitely you can write the algorithm. Okay, try to implement the program. Similarly, develop a Python program. Okay, already discussed. Explain the significance of conditional statement. What are the conditional statement? If statement, if else statement. If else statement is also known as elif statement. Then nested if statement. Develop a Python program to develop a Fibonacci series of a given number with a suitable length of n. That also very simple only. So that logic, you have to take three numbers, n0, n1, n2. Based on that, you can easily explain. Okay. Then whenever you are explaining, try to write the algorithm. Later you can convert the program. Explain the looping control statement in Python. Loop control statements. What are the two type of loop control statements? Okay. Similarly, these are the important questions which you can expect from module 1. So kindly go through that. So let me know if you have any question, you can put up in the comment box. Okay, especially those who are preparing for makeup examination, regular examination, etc. This session will be may be useful. Kindly go through that. Okay, I have given the brief hint also. You can elaborate it. Okay. So let me know if you have any severe doubt regarding this particular topic. Kindly let me know. Please put up in the comment box. I'm going to revert. Thank you so much for watching this video. Happy learning and all the best.